Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to change the ringtone on your POCO X8 Pro. First, open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration, then tap on Ringtone. You'll be taken to the Themes app where you can browse and download different ringtones. Scroll through categories like rock, jazz, or trending sounds and choose what you like. If you prefer your own sound, tap, choose Local Ringtone and allow permissions. Then select Audio from your files, recordings, or music to set as your ringtone. You can also pick from pre-installed system ringtones by opening that section. Tap any ringtone to preview it, and it will be applied instantly when selected. You can also choose the option with no ringtone if you want silent incoming calls. To pick from themes again, go back and open the ringtone section. Tap on any sound to preview it, then select it using the bell icon. Choose whether to set it as your ringtone, notification, or alarm sound. Wait for it to download and apply successfully. To confirm, return to Settings and check the selected ringtone under Sound and Vibration. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up.